We've all seen AI that can talk, but have you seen AI that can talk instantly? I'm talking faster than you can even blink. Today, we are breaking down the tool that is changing the game for real-time voice generation. Welcome back to AI Unlocked. This is Cartesia AI. While most voice tools use something called transformers, which can be heavy and slow, Cartesia is built on state space models. I won't bore you with the math, but here's what you need to know. It generates audio with ultra-low latency. We are talking under 100 milliseconds. That means, if you were talking to an AI bot powered by this, it would feel just like talking to a real human on the phone. No awkward pauses, no lag. But the feature that is really turning heads, and the one I know you guys are interested in, is the voice cloning capability using their flagship model, Sonic. Unlike older tools that need hours of training data, Sonic is fast. Scary fast. You can clone a voice with just a few seconds of audio reference. Once you upload that clip, you can control not just what the voice says, but how it says it. You can adjust the emotion, make it whisper, shout, laugh, or sound surprised, all in real time. It captures the nuance and the accent almost perfectly, making it one of the most powerful tools for creators and developers right now. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's get into the process and see how we can clone any voice in just simple steps. This is the interface of Cartesia AI. First of all, before start using this AI, we have to create an account in this tool. So for that, we just use an email for sign in to do that. Click on the sign in button and create your account. First, give your first name and then second name, and after that we have to give an email for sign in. Here is an interesting here. We are using a temp mail because this AI is offering 2,000 free credits for every account, and we can use that credits to use this tool, and after that credits over we have to purchase a paid plan. So if we use temp mail for singing, it gives us 2,000 free credits. After completing the free credits, we can use another mail and get another account benefits for free. Okay, now here is the process to get a temp mail for this account setup. First, we have to download the temp mail app from Play Store or App Store and open. If you have not want to use the app, then you just continue with their website also. Here, I have already a mail, so I want to get a new one. So to do that, I just click on the change and swipe here, and it can take 5 seconds time. And if provide a new fresh mail to me, and I can easily use this in our tool. Okay, here is my new mail ID, so I just fill this mail in the Cartesia and click on Continue. Set a strong password. Okay, now here we have to submit a OTP here. To get that OTP, we have to go in the same app where we are generated the email to log in here. So, well, we have a mail from the Cartesia and we can see the OTP here, and I just fill the OTP in the tool and just click on the Continue. Okay, here we have to give a name to our account. So fill this correctly and click on Continue. Then our tool is fully set up. Now we just jump directly into the interesting part, voice clone. So to do that, just click on Clone a voice and you will see two options. One is record and another one is upload. So here I choose upload and upload our audio file from my computer. Now just select a 10 seconds part where the vocals are perfect and give a name to your voice and description and choose the language and click on clone from here. Okay, now this AI is analyzing our voice and start cloning our voice, and it take 1 to 2 minutes only. Okay, our voice is ready, so let's check it once. So I have already created a text using Google Gemini. So I just copy that text and paste it here and see how it works.
Stop scrolling. If you are still paying for Midjourney, you are losing money. I found a free tool that generates Naruto anime art in seconds. Link is in the comments.
Great, this is amazing. So just like this, we can clone our own voice for free and we can use it in our projects. One more interesting thing if you can't able to download the audio. So we just use the screen recording for get the audio. So here is the full process for voice cloning. If this video helps you, then please like the video and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.